Hello everyone and welcome back to another video on store management. This time we're going to be looking at the review orders page and talking about the deposits that come into your bank account from MemberHub. So we're going to click on store management and then review orders. This is going to be a page where it shows you all of the orders from your store, whether it's product that's been ordered or membership that's been ordered. And if you click into each individual order number link, you can get the details of the particular order. You can export the entire list, which, keep in mind, I think this will be all of the orders, not just for this year, but all of the orders on your site. You can filter this view and also the export report by clicking purchase date. So it's only a particular date. You can have it equal to or after a particular date, so everything after 7/1 to get everything for this year. You can click into categories and have it only be donations or items or any of the different categories that you've set up. You can click into memberships and only have particular types of memberships. So any way that you want to filter this list, either to view it or to export it, you can filter first and then click to apply the filters, and then you can look at the list and download the list from there. But I wanted to tell you, not only will all the detail of everything that's been ordered be on this page, but this is where your treasurers will go to see the payout reports. And these payout reports are located up here in the top right corner. And when you click on payouts, these are going to be the reports that will line up with the deposits that are made into your bank account on Friday. So each of these reports will match up to a deposit. And I think most of the time those are on Fridays. So you'll be able to click into the report, download it by using this little button here on the left. You don't even have to go into it first, just download the report, and you'll be able to have all of the detail so that you can record those deposits accordingly. So some of it may be membership, and of course the $4 of each membership is not profit to the PTA. That is your state dues and national dues amounts. So that is recorded in a different place because that's a liability that you will be paying out. So you'll be able to record those product fundraisers that you're collecting and however you're recording them in your books that you're keeping for the PTA. So that is where you're going to go. Go to the payouts. It's located here on the review order screen. And then once you're there, you can download each of these reports, match it up to the deposits in your bank account, and have the detail in order to record those properly. So hopefully this helps you to manage that aspect. Now another place I want to look at real quick is Edit Store Settings. So in this section, we do have a new notification settings that has been implemented, I think, recently. But if you, I think it's wise to take a look at it because there is a section on who is going to receive the notifications of when orders are placed, or if, so that's your order notifications. And if you have anybody click the contact your admin buttons within the store function, the emails will be sent to an admin. But if you don't select anyone, like no one is selected here, this little icon tells you to ensure that someone will always receive a message. In the case where no admins are selected, MemberHub will send the message to all admins. So if you don't want that to happen, select your admin who's going to receive those contact us questions about an order kind of notifications. So it's defaulting to everyone getting it. So if you don't want that to happen, especially if you've got admins on there from previous years that you haven't cleaned up yet, look at your update officer video for how to do that. That's where I explained how to update your contact records to remove admin access for those who don't really need it now. But take a look at the notification section. And then also there is some new store coupons. It's a new feature and I don't know much about it. I would contact MemberHub if you need clarification on what that really is and if and when we can use that sort of coupon idea. And then this is also where you decide if the processing fees, the credit card processing fees, are passed to your payer, which would be the person purchasing the item, or if you as an association are going to absorb those costs. I would say 99% of our units pass those fees on, and people who purchase are used to having credit card processing fees when they use the convenience of a credit card. So I think that's all that I have to say about this page and on this video. So if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Check out your MemberHub support options using the question mark on any page, and look at the MemberHub help page, which is located under membership on the nyspta.org site. Thanks so much.